Hello everyone and welcome back to Habib's English Academy. In our today's class, we are going to learn about ceramics and the process of ceramics. We will learn what is ceramics and some more things. Today our topic is the art of ceramics, from earth to art. Ceramics is an art, and ceramics comes from earth, from the soil, and then there is a full process by which we get a completely different thing, but made from the soil, made from the earth. So from earth it becomes art and its beauty. Introduction. Ceramics have been a collaborative cornerstone of human creativity for thousands of years. Since ages, it has been so that ceramics have been a part of human beings. Whenever we see clay, children also play with the clay, and the adult ones also like to make some things, the pieces of art, and because it is moldable, therefore we like to mold it into different shapes, and then we get what is known as clay. Ceramics have been a cornerstone of human creativity for thousands of years. It is the creativity. We give it different shapes, we make different statues, we make different kind of things because of this thing. So it is also igniting a curiosity and creativity in the human beings to make different things from the soil. With artisans crafting functional and decorative pieces from clay and other minerals. There are artisans, the person who makes some different things, statues, etc., vases from the clay. They are known as artisans, and they craft different functional pieces. Functional means those things which we can use. For an example, they have made a pot in which we can eat something, that is made of ceramics, so that is functional. And decorative, there is a pot which is only used for keeping somewhere, and it is for the decoration. So the artisans make functional pieces as well as the decorative pieces which we like from clay and other minerals as well. Especially they are made from the clay. It is the soil, and refined soil, it's known as clay. So that is the introduction to what ceramics is, and then the process, how ceramics is made. There are 4 steps by which the process of ceramics is done. Number 1, wedging. Kneading clay to remove air pockets. First of all, the clay is taken, the soil is taken, the clay is taken, then they put water in it and they knead it. They completely make it like this, and in this way they take the soil in their hands, they take the clay in their hands and mold it so that there are no air pockets in it, and all the air goes and completely it's in the clay. Number 2, shaping, forming clay into desired shapes. For example, after it has been wedged, then they make the different type of shapes. Like for instance, they made a shape of a jug, they make shape of some different vases, etc. So these kind of different shapes are made. So that is a second process of shaping. And number 3, drying. When this shape is made, then allowing the piece to dry slowly. It will dry completely, and then firing. After this, it will go into the kiln for firing so that a particular texture comes. First it was clay which was very soft, and afterwards it goes to the orange color after firing. Heating the piece to a kiln. What is kiln? A kiln is a place where there is fire, and the pieces of ceramics are put, or the bricks are also put. Bricks are also made from the soil and clay, and they are put into the kiln, and then the desired properties are achieved. It becomes strong also, it's not breakable easily, etc. Now next one is types of ceramics. Then there are 3 main types of ceramics. Number 1, earthenware, that we make from the clay. What are its properties? It is coarse, it is not smooth, it is coarse. And porous ceramics, it has some pores inside it, and it is easily broken, and the pores can be seen. What are pores? Pores means the air particles that are in that particular pore. Number 2, stoneware, that they are like stone. Stronger, denser ceramics from made up of like stone. Number 3, porcelain, fine translucent ceramics. They are very fine and very translucent ceramics, and they are the best quality. Number 3rd, number 2nd, and number 1st quality according to quality as well. So this was our today's topic. And it was the art of ceramics. It was from ancient times. Human beings have been attached to it, and it is going on still now and will continue to grow. Thank you so much.